Flow 1. Reviewing and approving a carrier invoice. Here's a completed load with the carrier assigned. Truxo has already generated the carrier invoice automatically. Open the carrier invoice. You can see the carrier name, invoice status, issue date, due date, and amount due. Click to check the attached documents. Once verified, approve the invoice and click Generate. Now let's group multiple loads into one carrier settlement. On the Carrier Invoices page, select the invoices for the same carrier and group them. The grouped invoice now shows all selected loads. Click the drop-down on any load to review its individual details. After reviewing, click Generate Group Invoice. One clean settlement for the carrier.